Thomas is coughing like a banshee in there. Hang on, guys. I'll be right with you. Posting in the last link here. Closest volcano, 19.2 miles, and it's extinct, equals 19.2 miles away, color code, black, extinct. All right, here we go. I got a tweet. Hey, Pete. Hey, Al. Hi, Crystal. Hi, Holy Hummer. Okay, guys, here we go. I'm not going to pay attention to this, please. Guys, keep my chat clean, okay? All right, here we go. USGS said there was a 6.9, which I got a screenshot of. But they downgraded it to a 6.6, and then they upgraded it to a 6.7. Okay, they got Samar, Philippines. All right, they got 6.8 miles southeast of San Pedro, Philippines, at 6.2 miles in depth. All right, let me open that up so you can see. There is no tsunami warning. There is no tsunami warning. Yes, I did show a 6.9. You know, I just said Samar, Philippines. All right, they downgraded that to a 6.7. This is USGS. You'll have the tweet and all the upgrades and downgrades in the description box. They've got it 6.8 miles east of San Pedro, PEDRO, Philippines, at 6.2 miles in depth. Okay. All right, now we're going to go to EMSC. EMSC has it at a 6.8 still. I think they sent out a tweet for a 6.8. They still have it as a 6.8. You see it is in orange, okay? Let's open that up. Go away here. EMSC said it was a 6.8. They've got it 12 miles northeast of San Pedro, Philippines. It's 9.3 miles in depth, okay? All right. GFC was the primary data source for this earthquake. All right, GFC was. Let me take you there. Okay, going to go down to GFZ and open them up and see if they've changed it. They had it at a 6.7, and they have now downgraded that to a 6.8. I need to copy that and give it to you. 6.6. 6.6. All right. Let me copy it first, and then I got to put this into the link so you're seeing all the upgrades and downgrades they're doing to this earthquake. All right. Let me undo this and go up here to GFZ. And we're going to put downgraded. Downgraded. And we're going to post their update on what they said happened. All right, so we're going to go there and copy it, and then I will show you. But first, I have got to copy. And we're going to go here and paste it. Now, they've got it in a different location that USGS does. Okay, they've got it in a different location. Let me open this up. All right, they've got it. Leyte, Philippines, at 6.6 miles in depth now. They had it at a 6.7. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth, okay? So the 6.7 downgraded to a 6.6. I've got to check Australia. They also posted, and I got that link as well, okay? So let me go ahead and go to Australia. Guys, these are all the earthquake centers that reported on this earthquake. Just letting you know. Australia sent out a tweet. I got the tweet. I've got the web page. All in the description box for you. Australia just downgraded their 6.8. Guys, I'm going to put it in there. And copy. They just downgraded their 6.8. They now have it as a 6.6. Everybody's downgrading, okay? Let's see if they change the magnitude. I mean the depth. Downgraded. And post. All right, let me get the copy of this for you. Samar in Philippines. Up you go. Copy, and then I'll enlarge this so you can see. You're going to have upgrades and downgrades, guys. That's the way it's going to go. You know, I keep track of all this stuff for you, but them playing numbers games. Upgrades, downgrades, upgrades, downgrades. All right. All right. Let me get this. Make sure. Let me enlarge this now. All right. We're enlarging. This is Australia Earthquake Center. Let's see what they did with the depth. 21 kilometers. They had it at, nope, they did change the depth. I'll have to check that out, but let me show you their page first. All right. This is Australia Earthquake Center. They had it at a 6.8, downgraded it to a 6.6. Samar, Philippines, at 21 kilometers. Guys, I will get that miles here to you in a second. All right. Now they're saying the closest volcano to this earthquake is 19.2 miles away. It is green. It is normal. It is it's black. I'm sorry. It's extinct. All right. An extinct volcano. And they got it 19.2 miles away. The volcano's name is Maripipi. Okay. Philippine volcano. All right. It did come across on disaster alert. I'm going to go check also and check the tsunami page because disaster alert put up a tsunami warning thing saying there was no tsunami. And let me show you what we got here on the tsunami page. Guys, can you see that? It says a 6.9, okay? 6.9 earthquake. They've got it at 21 miles in depth. I will copy this link and put it there also, all right? Hang on one second while I copy this, and then I'll read what it says to you. Copy. Come on. Copy. We're going to put this at the top, close to the volcano, estimated release of energy. It'll be up there at the top, primary data source. All right. And we're going to put a U.S. tsunami page. And we'll post this there. So you can check that as well. Okay, let me read what it says for the U.S. tsunami page. I got to shrink it down. We'll go down there to the bottom. And we're going to go to the link now. And we need to select that. Thank you. Come on. Okay, I'm opening it up. This is for the West Coast area. All right. British Columbia, the West Coast, Alaska, California. Based on the information and historical tsunami records, the earthquake is not expected to generate a tsunami. Repeat, it is not suspected to generate a tsunami. No tsunami threat for this earthquake. That when you go to USEMSC. Now let's go, to USGS tsunami page. Now we're going to go to disaster alert. They also posted. Let me get that for you. Hey, thank you so much. All right, let me get to the tsunami page here on disaster alert. And we're opening it up now. Okay, hopefully it'll go to it. All right. All right. What I'm going to do now is read this 6 point. They have 9. 6.9. USGS said it was a 6.6. All right. 6.7. Let me read this to you guys so you have the information. An earthquake of preliminary 6.9 at a depth of 33 kilometers. Location in Samar, Philippine Islands. Reported by the U.S. tsunami page. All right. It says this is for, statement has been issued for Alaska, British Columbia, U.S. West Coast, and they give the longitude, latitude. Okay, Washington, Oregon, California, primary magnitude 6.9. It says no tsunami expected. Repeat, it says no tsunami expected. Okay, now that link is in there also. Let me go to what it says about the earthquake. All right, they've had time to change it. So we're going to go to the 6.7 earthquake, according to USGS now. But guys, keep in mind, they've had it at a 6.9, a 6.6, and a 6.7. It's still in red on their page. That means it's still a big, heavy-duty preliminary. An earthquake of magnitude 6.7 at a depth of 6.2 miles has occurred. They've got it 11 kilometers east of San Pedro, Philippines, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, the NEIC of the USGS. This is a preliminary. All right. So I'm copying that and putting that in. I've already got the tsunami thing, but I need to copy this one about the earthquake. Okay. So copy, and we're going to put that into the notes. We're going to put that right under USGS before the tsunami reading. Okay. All right. So yeah, USGS has been all over the board. EMSC, not so much. I'll have to go back and check on them. All right. Because they may have changed it too. Disaster alert. And paste. Paste. Okay. Get rid of the commercials. You don't need commercials. This is going to be long enough. All right. Now, what I'm going to do now is go back to EMSC. Everybody has downgraded this earthquake. We need to see if EMSC has downgraded it. Come on, go back. And refresh. Guys, they still got it at a 6.8. EMSC still has it at a 6.8. Okay? They've got it at 9.3 miles in depth. All right, now USGS still has it as a 6.7. Let me go to USGS map page for you. Okay. USGS said it was a 6.9, 6.6, and a 6.7. They now have it as a 6.7, 6.8 miles east of San Pedro and the Philippines, and they've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. All right, guys. Let me copy all these links. Get these links to you immediately, so you've got it. We'll go back. We'll check. We'll see where the volcano is. But right now, I will need you to get these links and copy. All right, hopefully these will all go in. There's a lot of upgrading on this. Copy. And copy. Going now to my YouTube page, guys. I'm going to put this both in community and on the live feed. Please check it out. They have changed it from a 6.9 to a 6.6. I'll have to change the title as well. All right. Yeah. Oh, I got it at 6.7. I did it right. Okay. And we're going to go to edit text. And we're going to go into the description box and now pasting. Pasting. Let's see what we got here, guys. Just making sure I got every link that I had. Okay. And post. Oh, dang it. Okay, it's not going to let me put all the links in there. Let me go back to edit. I know what I have to do. I have to remove YouTube's disclosure and put it in the text box. Okay. So let me do that. Cut. And go here. And post. Save. All right, guys, I'm going to go immediately into the text box and put the disclosure. You're going to hear a little echo. And let me do this. Got to put it in there. Keep YouTube happy. And we're going to go ahead and pin it there. All right, we're pinning it. All right. Now you've got all links in the description box, guys. All links are now there. Please go check them out. I'm going to community now and share it there in case you can't get to the links at this time. And paste. Paste. Post. All right, I'm going to my screenshots. and show you what I screenshot. All right, so hang on for that. All right, this is the first one up. USGS posted a 6.9, okay? They did post the 6.9, all right? And then they downgraded it to a 6.7. Took a screenshot of that also, all right? Now, let's go take you to where this earthquake took place and show you the closest volcano. Then I'll give you the estimated release of energy, and then I'll give you, which they've already changed. Just making sure. The MSC still got it at 6.8. Okay, let's take you to this earthquake. This was felt by 80 people so far. All right. And we need to pull that up. And we're going to show you the volcano compared to the earthquake. Okay. This is the name of the volcano, guys. Maripipi volcano. They've got it 19 miles away from this earthquake. Let me go, and they got it black and extinct. All right. Now, let me take you to the earthquake where they're saying right there, right above the volcano is the earthquake. So right there is your volcano. There is your earthquake. So let me go ahead and give you what the estimated release of energy was, because they've changed it, because they downgraded it. So now I got to get new information on that. Let's see here. Estimated release of energy. Nope, they still got it. Okay, they've got it at, hang on. Come on, copy. Copy. All right, I'm going to put it as an upgrade in the notes. So let me go back to YouTube and do that, and then I'll give it to you. It's a 7.5 atomic bomb going off is what they're saying. All right, just to let you know. Edit video. And we'll go to edit. We'll put the updated version of the estimated release of energy in there for you. You know I do this, guys. You know I'll do this. So you'll get all links. All right, let me go to the top, go to the top, go to the top. Come on, there it is. Primary data source, estimated release of energy, updated. Updated. And I'm pasting it in there now. Paste. Okay, they had it as 7.5 atomic bomb. They had it as, they didn't put anything else but atomic bomb in there, guys. That's it. Okay? Something to 10 tons of TNT. All right, it's put, oops, can't use that. They don't want the numbers. Description too long. Let me take out the old one and put in the new one and just get rid of the old one. It's not going to accept it. Estimated release of energy. Update, update right there. And bring this over to here and cut. Because the estimated release of energy stayed the same. 7.5 atomic bomb equivalent. All right, it's there, it's in it. All right. All right, guys, closing down all earthquake centers. I'll go back and check in 1 minute of what they got. Okay, so let me see who's here. Give them a chance to upgrade again or downgrade again. Heidi, I'll be with you in a minute, sweetie. I am so sorry.
Yeah, no worries.
All right, here we go. Henley Hummer, thanks for coming in. Karen, thank you for coming in. Pete, thank you. Ollie, thank you. New subscriber, welcome to the family, sweetie. I hope you get the information you need here. All right, BJ, welcome. Jeffrey, welcome. What do we got here? Okay, Ollie, sweetie, we cannot put numbers into the page, okay? This is a family channel. We also cannot use any foul language. Just to let you know, we can't use the C word, CV word, or we can't use the W word, okay? Or the B word, okay? That is okay, no problem. Sorry, in the Philippines. Okay, Ollie, I give you all the information you need. Please check out the links, sweetie. But we cannot use numbers in the page, okay? I apologize. Kobe, welcome. Alice, thank you for coming in, sweetie. Thank you, my blue army. Kat, thank you for coming in. Kobe, thank you. Pete, thank you. Holy Hummer, I said hi to you, Alice. David, welcome. Miss Liz, thank you for coming in. Who else have I missed? I don't think I've missed anything. Pete, hello. Holy Hummer, I said hi. Miss Liz, I said hi. We've got Samuel. Samuel, you're new. Thank you for coming in. I appreciate you subscribing. Welcome to the family. You love my stream. Well, thank you, sweetie. Big fan. Awesome. Who else we got here? Just make Jason. Welcome, sweetie. Thank you for coming in. M-O-R-I Mornija. Thank you for coming in. Thank you. You're a new subscriber. Welcome to the page. Who else? Alice, I said hi. Miss Liz, I said JJ. Welcome, sweetie. Making sure I'm getting everybody. Karen, thank you for coming in. And we've got Coco, CHOCOJOSHUA. Sweetie, I'm sorry I'm having a hard time pronouncing your name. You're from Mexico. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for subscribing and pushing the thumbs up button. Okay. All right, guys. EMK, hi. You're new to the channel also. Welcome. Thank you so much. All right, guys. One last time, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead now and check USGS, make sure they kept it there. We'll check EMSC and see if they have, let me get my other glasses on, see if they have downgraded it, okay? All right, still, USGS still has it as a 6.7. They've had it at a 6.9, a 6.6, and a 6.7. They've got it 6.8 miles east of San Pedro at 6.2 miles in depth, Philippines, okay? Let me go to EMSC, opening up EMSC now. EMSC has had it at a 6.8. So far, they haven't upgraded it or downgraded it. Guys, you can still see they've got it at a 6.8. Let me open this up. All right, EMSC said it was a 6.8, Samar, Philippines. They've got it 12 miles northeast of San Pedro, Philippines, and they changed the depth again. It's now at 9.3 miles in depth. They see the tsunami sign on top that says there is no tsunami. You see the line through it. That means there is no tsunami. Okay? EMSC is the only page that'll do that for you. USGS puts the tsunami symbol up and lets it go. All right? Now, all links are in the description box for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and get moving. I've got a dear friend on the phone, and I don't want to rack up her phone bill or drain her battery. Okay? She's my sister. Thank you, as always, for your tireless work. You're more than welcome. JJ, thank you. You're my 500th subscriber. I'm your 500th subscriber. JJ, you've been with me a long time. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Sharon, thank you. David, thank you. John, thank you for coming in. They are playing with the figures. Yes, they are. Upgrading, downgrading, upgrading, and then whatever. You've got all links in the description box. All right, please check it out so you guys can get the proper information of what's going on. I'm sending you guys much love, many hugs. 2 thumbs up for you guys. God bless. Have yourself a great evening. Please, please be safe out there, okay? This video ends in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gone.
Hey, Ray.
I see you there.